If you want to know how to italicize text in Telegram, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to apply italics using the right-click menu so you can make your messages look cleaner, clearer, and more professional. This is especially useful if you want to emphasize a word, highlight a phrase, or just make your message stand out a little more. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Telegram and start typing your message in the chat box like you normally would. Go ahead and type the text you want to format in italics. Once your message is written, use your mouse to highlight the exact word or sentence you want to change. To do that, click and drag across the text until it's selected. After the text is highlighted, right-click on the selection to open the menu. In that menu, look for the formatting option. Hover over formatting, and you should see more text style options appear. From there, click Italic. As soon as you choose it, Telegram will automatically change the selected text into italic style. That's it, your text is now formatted and ready to send. If you want, you can repeat the same process for any other words or phrases in the same message. It's a simple way to make your chats easier to read and give them a little more emphasis. This method works great when you want to quickly format text without memorizing shortcuts or commands. So again, the process is type your message, highlight the text, right-click, go to formatting, and select italic. Very easy, very fast, and perfect for everyday Telegram use. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.